Hello everyone. So my name is Leo. I'm an engineer for Woven by Toyota in Tokyo, Japan. And today I'll try to talk about template hell, sorting type list, and other funny stuff. So a while back I started to write a SI unit support library. So I was bored. I wanted to practice variadic templates, so it was a good way to learn. And come on, it's just a simple library. It's going to be easy, right? And so I set a goal for myself. So I wanted to support only sensible unit operations. So you can add meters with meters, but you cannot add them to seconds. But if you multiply meter and meter, you get meter squared. Easy. And I wanted to make things even easier for myself, built-in string representation, and everything at compile time. I had a lot of fun. So first thing first, we need to define what's a unit, what's a value. So in my case, I decided that a unit would be a symbol, like meter, second, kilogram, whatever. A priority that's useful for sorting later, and a power, like so I can have meter squared, second minus 1, and so on and so on. And a value is an ordered list of units and a double. So for example, if I want a speed, I have a value of meter 1, second minus 1. And yeah, so we want an ordered list of units. So at some point, we need to sort that type list, like we need to sort that tuple. And so that's what I did. So I built sorting stuff to sort generic type list. I used a lot of variadic template metaprogramming, a lot of type traits, a lot of recursions. It was ugly, you can see it. Very ugly. Like a simple sorting function took me 200 lines of code with a boilerplate. It's not that much, right? 200 lines. I'm sure like many of you have like billion lines projects, but just for a sorting function, it's a bit much. It's hard to read and it's harder to maintain. But it worked. Like I could have all my goals were reached. I could have my nice operation. I could have my nice display. I was happy, so I stopped there. It was done. Until yesterday. Yesterday, after talking with people, I asked myself those questions like, can I build it again? Can I build it better? So I started to rebuild it, like finished 1 AM last night, and with new principles. I wanted my code to be better this time. So instead of going for generic type lists and everything, I will make more assumptions that should give me less boilerplates. And type traits are fine, but no, I'm going to use more constext, more const eval, so I can write normal C++. And the way I would work for that is I would instantiate tuples, so I can work with values, do my sorting, do my manipulation in this space, and when I'm done, I can use decal type to go back to types, and voila. And after a bit of work, yeah, this is my new sort function. I just have to call std sort. It's amazing. And so that's just for you. And where I had 200 lines of code for the sorting function before, now I have, I think, 150 for the whole library. I'm an happy man. So that's nice, that's fun, but what did I learn? So the first thing is keep it simple. Like, make assumptions, you don't need to build the most generic code ever. Making simple things is going to be simpler, more maintainable, it's easier. The second thing is like constext and const eval are your friends. They are great, use them. And maybe also turn back, look behind and learn from your past self. That first library is 2 years old. And going back yesterday, I think I learned more about programming and templates than in the past year. And maybe finally, my most important key element is don't play with sorting types. It's not worth it. Thank you very much.